Good evening and welcome to today's class. Today we'll be talking about production of air conditioner. And number one, first of all, we make sure that you put on your safety materials before you start the production properly. And after the safety materials, then talk about the materials for turning and for cooking. Talk about your pot, your spoon, your stick turner, then the boil, then the materials used in the production of air conditioner. Number one is the citric alcohol, MUAS, which is number two. Then number three is nitrosol, aniline. Then number four is propyl glycol, but here they mix it with glycerol. Then the next one is the paraffin oil, then methyl paraben, this here, then talk about the perfume, the fragrance I'm going to use, which is this one. The high watt or centrimone chloride, the quitrat A or centrimone chloride. They are the materials that we're going to use in this production.